Hope everyone's having a great day today. We're going to be going over what's inside the Discord, why you should join, what we offer, what's going on inside. If you're watching this, you're either on the verification page or you just stumbled across it on social media. But if you are in the Discord, you're going to see one of two pages. You have the welcome section, which is just going over people that are just joining the server. And after that, you have the verification page. These are the only two you can see. If you want to see more, all you got to do, read the rules and click this little green check mark. Once you click that, you're going to see all these open up. So we have the premium section, which is where you can click a link to get taken to our store. At the store, there's a 3-day free trial, or you can get the purchase the 1 month, 6 month, or 1 year. For the 3-day free trial, no credit card information or anything like that needed. I'll show you guys an example here in a second. But if you do get that, the only thing that's not available with that is our education section. But you still get all the other channels, all the callouts, all that good stuff. Next up, we have the announcements, just basic stuff you see in any type of Discord. We go over updates. We'll sometimes throw in promo codes here, some YouTube videos that are educational, things like that. After that, you got the day trading start. This is just a place for newbies to come in and find possible brokers. I have my referral links here, but you can always just search up the brokers and get them without the referral links. Right here we have Thinkorswim, Interactive Brokers, Robinhood, Webull. These are the 4 I know about and like, but really any of them work. This is just here to help you. After that, we got the socials tab, just going over things like our TikToks, Instagram, YouTube, stuff like that, Twitter. Next up, you got members gains. So this is only available to people that have the trial or the premium that can post in it. Anyone can see this, but as you can see here, we got 255, $700, 1,000. We got a couple hundred. This person, I know they joined with the account around 500. I think they got up to 1,000 in around a week and a half. So that's really cool to see. We got 236, another 1K, 57 on the small account, another 400 here, 100, another 100, first 1K day, 1.64. Just the stuff you love to see. After that, we have the trade recap. Here, this is just so we can get an understanding of how everyone did for the day. We'll post all the trades we called out in the Discord. Today, we called out for a total of 141%, 3 wins and 1 loser. Keep the losers small, let the winners run. So that's what's in here. Go all the way back. You can also see weekly recaps on Friday, 1,080% last week, things like that. Next up, you got testimonials and then the free chat. So this is basically for anyone to have access to. Just because you can't see the education section doesn't mean we won't answer any questions you guys have. So if you have questions, feel free to ask them here. And then after that, I'll show you what's available with the trial and what's available with premium. When you're on the store, this is what it's going to look like. You have the choice to buy the premium here. We explain what goes on with it. And after that, you have the 3-day free trial. See here, free 3-day access. All you have to do, click get access, agree, get access. No information or anything like that needed. Just click that. Then you'll get the Ascend Premium Trial Roll, and we'll show you what's available with that. All right, so first thing we'll go over after you claim the 3-day free trial, you have access to the lesson learned section where people just post mistakes they've made so you can also learn from them. After that, we have the call out section. So here we have the roles. You can react with any of these and then you'll get access to the 5 different type of call outs we have right now. We got A-Train calls, Goose calls, Muddy calls, and Newtsy calls. So Newtsy, he goes over verts, which are really useful, lower risk, and he's very good at it, but I say it's like a 90 to 10 win to loss ratio. It's really good. Next up, we got Madi, who goes over smart money concepts. Goose, who likes to do the basic supply and demand, support and resistance. Really good with that. And then there's me with A-Train calls. I like to use the fractals for callouts. So different types of callouts you can get here. We're looking to add anywhere from 1 to 3 more callout leaders. Always looking to add more for you guys. Next up, we have the live chat. This is where all premium members talk. You can see Newtsy's throwing in some verts around here. After that, you got members trial callouts. This is for any of you members that want to test callouts. You can throw them in here. After that, you have the community section. You got the fitness page, chart art, which is just people uploading setups they like. You got the ask a question, after hours and chill. A lot of people post their cars and stuff like that in there. And then you have the crypto discussions, which is just what it sounds like. You got crypto callouts, things like that in there. Now, the only thing that's not offered with the trial is the education section, which we'll go over now. That, I believe, is the most valuable part of this Discord. We go over beginner day trading, we go over fractals, everything in between. So I'll show you that now. All right, here's the last section of what we offer in the Discord when you get premium. This, in my opinion, is the most valuable part, which is the education. We go over everything from beginner trading to fractals, and fractals is what I trade, and I've been trading with the last few months. Average around 80% win rate with like 80 to 100% average on my plays. And everything on how I do it, how I enter, what I look for in the trades, all in here. First off, you got stock vocab. This is good for beginners. Goes over all the basics, what a put is, what a call is, everything from volume to technical analysis, things like that. You also have beginner traders right below it. We're also working on, as you can see here, a beginner's course. Obviously, these links are blurred out, but when you are in premium, you have all of this sorted out right in front of you, from trade recaps to our watch list, the things on like how to add scripts to your TOS charts, our beginner's course, fractals and vector education, and our classes that we hold every week to every other week. After that, we got some PDF books, adding more to this as time goes on. And then the real good stuff down here, you got the vector and fractals, what we go over in here. And then on top of that, the most common patterns that you'll see us trade, which are things like Ghost, Shoe, Dragon, M, and W. So that's around everything you see in the Discord. You got any questions about it? Ask in free chat, or grab the trial for 3 days and ask in live chat. Up to you. Hope you all enjoyed this little tour of our Discord, and I hope to see you guys in live chat trading with us sometime. Have a good day, and I'll see you guys soon.